I am Emily, and today we're going to assemble the Langley 4-in-1 crib from Serta. Make sure you have all the correct pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please contact Consumer Care. One way to make sure you are working with the correct hardware is to compare them to the illustrations in the instructions located in the pouch attached to the mattress support. First step, we will attach the sides to the back rail, and for this you need 6 35mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. We will be working from the back side of the rail. Remember to use the short end of the Allen wrench to appropriately tighten the bolts. Second step, we will attach the mattress support, and for this you'll need 4 18mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. Make sure to use the highest position for your newborn and go downwards as your child grows. Next step, we will attach the front rail, and for this you need 6 45mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. Remember to return your instructions back to the pouch that they came in. You will need them later. And like that, congratulations, you just assembled your Langley 4-in-1 crib from Serta. Toddler guardrail and full-size bed rails are available for purchase.